Hi, and thank you so much for booking an appointment here at the Spa Plastic Surgery. My name is Dr. Michael Frederick. I'm a Harvard-trained board-certified plastic surgeon. I'm the founder of the company, and I just wanted to welcome you to our family. First, I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself and our goals of the company. First off, I started the Spa Plastic Surgery to really give that high-end spa experience to our patients. So when you come in, I want you to just feel like you're getting a luxury treatment, where you're not only getting catered to in terms of the service that we get from my staff, my patient coordinators, but also from start to finish with my nursing staff, straight through to the end. Many people don't know this, but all of my patients get my personal cell phone, so they can always be in constant contact with me as well. But I wanted to give you, if you have a moment, a few thoughts about myself and sort of where I come from, so you can get to know a little bit about me. I was actually born in a small town in California called Nipomo. We grew up on a farm with lemons and avocados. I have two brothers, and I grew up playing water polo, and always liked marine biology. So when I went to college at UCLA, I was a marine biology major. I actually studied abroad in Tahiti and New Zealand, which was actually pretty incredible and a really fun experience. I also studied abroad in Spain, and I speak fluent Spanish. A lot of people don't know this, but I'm actually a quarter Colombian, and so yo hablo español casi perfectamente. So I have a lot of Spanish-speaking patients. When I was in college, I was unfortunate, but my sister was diagnosed with ovarian cancer, and that really affected the family in a big way. And so my brother and myself, my older brother and myself, decided to transition in medical school. And so we went to medical school. He's now a child psychiatrist at UC Houston, and he's a professor there and does really well. Very successful in his field. And then, of course, I went into plastic surgery. After medical school at UCSF, I then traveled across the country to Boston, decided to weather out the cold winters for the first time in my life, and really had a wonderful time. Boston's a great experience. Harvard is a wonderful place to be. You really are around the best and the brightest. And the Harvard program in particular is especially unique. It's a relatively small program for the size. They only accept 3 residents per year. I was one of those 3 out of medical school that year. But we operate at 5 different hospitals, including 2 hospitals that are in the top 10. When I was there 1 year, Mass General Hospital was ranked the best hospital in the country. And then Boston Children's Hospital, which is consistently ranked as the top children's hospital in the country. So I used to work with, 50, 60, 70 different plastic surgeons, which is a truly unique experience, because most plastic surgery programs really just have like their one hospital. And so you maybe have, 8, 9, 10 attendings. I really had more like probably 60, 70, 80. And that really gives a breadth of experience, because in plastic surgery, everybody does do things a little bit differently. There's more than one way to skin a cat, and you got to figure out what works for you and what's really best for the patient, and what's best for the patient in your hands. And that's one of the unique things about training at Harvard, is that it's just such a broad experience with the best in the world. So I really had a wonderful time. After that, I decided to go into private practice. I've now been in private practice here in South Florida for 8 years. I really enjoy it. Cosmetic surgery is a passion. It's an art. It's really about being a perfectionist. When we think about plastic surgery, it's really about doing the same type of thing, but the template is always different. So you're always having to adjust things and really make it perfect. And perfection is one of those things they say is unachievable. And of course, perfection is by definition unachievable, but that's the fun, is that pursuit and really trying to get the best for everybody. So that's just a little about me. I really hope to meet you soon, and thank you so much.